Hello and welcome to Food Friday. Today I'm going to make ice cream out of an avocado. It's actually quite delicious and very good for you. So it's pretty simple ingredients. We got their cocoa. I use this Swerve. It's a sweetener. It's not sugar, but you use it as sugar and use it proportionally as the same as you would in sugar. And for this I use 35% cream, but you can use milk, coconut milk, anything you like. I use the heavy cream for the fatty acids for myself. We've got a little bit of vanilla extract and a little bit of sweet drops of stevia. Also, I add a few chocolate chips at the very end. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel up this avocado, which avocados are disgusting, I think, if you eat them like in guacamole or anything, but they're full of nutritional benefits with vitamin K, potassium and magnesium, B6, B12, like there's all kinds of good nutrients in an avocado. And they have it's 9 grams of carbohydrates. So typically what I do is I make this ice cream. We put it in the freezer for an hour or so, just till it gets kind of like soft ice cream. And then my wife and I share what we get out of it. So it's a half an avocado each, which brings my carbs down to 4.5 grams of carbs. But actually it's quite tasty. So that's getting the avocado out. The nice thing too is that the riper the avocado, the better. It just gets nice and mushy. So I just get to blend that up for a few minutes. Okay, so I've got this on puree. It's kind of started to mix up here. I'm gonna add my half a cup of cream. As I said, you can use coconut milk, whatever. And as this is blended, I just stop once in a while and just push it down because I want it to be nice and mushy and creamy when it's done. So I'm just gonna put that back in. And puree. Okay, so that looks nice and creamy now. I use a food processor. You can use a NutriBullet or a blender just as well. So now I'm just gonna add. I've got 3 tablespoons of cocoa. So throw that in there. My 1/4 cup of my sugar substitute. That in there. I've got half a teaspoon of vanilla. And then I just put in 10 drops of this stevia liquid, just sweetens it up. And then I'm just going to blend that back up. Again, it works just as well in a blender. So we'll mix this back up. Okay, so that's pretty well blended up. It's a nice creamy texture now. What I do in between is I just kind of push down the sides of it just to get all that green blended in. And for this, I add 11 chippets, because I know 11 chippets is 7 grams of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a real treat that we actually get sugar. And again, when we divide it by 2, between the two of us, you get only half. So that just mixes that in, and I'm trying to get away. And then just put it in a couple bowls. I'll just get you to see the texture of this. So that's what it looks like. It's supposed to be ice cream, but when it gets to be ice cream, it actually gets too hard. So I'm going to put this in the freezer for about an hour, and then it's like a soft ice cream. It's absolutely delicious, and I mean, it's that easy to make. It's quite simple, and your kids are going to love it. Have a great weekend.